Good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
I'm doing my sancraft, are you?
I am Queen Mother Ifayume Oshimike Anke Iri.
Today we are celebrating Eri Day. What's the link that you have with Eri that brought you all the way from far distance to be here today?
I came here to the festival the first time in 2015. 2015. My husband and I came and we participated in the ceremonies, the cleansing, and we felt a very strong connection to the Igbo and His Majesty and the kingdom. And then about a year later, His Majesty reached out to my husband and shared with him that he had received guidance that my husband was to be coronated into the kingship. And His Majesty came to the United States and facilitated that ceremony for my husband. Since then, we have stayed in contact with him, even though my husband is now with the ancestrals, and it is a part of our mission of Africa to America, connecting each other as a unified bridge. So there are different projects that we are facilitating with the Eri Kingdom.
Where is your husband from? Where is your husband from?
Kentucky, in the United States.
His ancestors have any link with this palace?
Well, I'm sure they do. He has now transitioned, so he is no longer in the physical. And he is in the ancestral realm, still guiding us.
He didn't tell you anything about having any link with this palace?
My husband, His Majesty coronated him as a king in the United States.
The king of the Igbo or?
The king of our community.
The community over there?
It's a mixture, a blending. Yes. Yes.
You're welcome. With us today. You're welcome.
I so appreciate being back home. Yes.
You're welcome. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
I'm Dima Arts and Crafts, and you? I'm Dima Arts and Crafts, and you?
Yes, Griffin Lotson.
How do you feel? How do you feel today? We're celebrating the World Eri Day today. How do you feel?
It is out of this world. I am the first, what we call Gullah Geechee, those that are part of the Atlantic slave trade, and then finding out through DNA that I am Igbo through my mother's DNA. So this is a dream come true and also historic. I'm the first Gullah Geechee ever in history to be on these hallowed grounds, so it's very special to be here in Nigeria with the Igbos.
When did you find out that you have a link here?
Yes, I was working with the Igbos now going on 3 or 4 years directly, indirectly for about 20 years, but closely then. So I asked my mother, she's since passed, she was 95 years old. So I asked her, would she take the DNA to find out where she is from? I thought she would say no, but she gladly says, I want to know where I'm from. That's the Gullah Geechee dialect. So we did the DNA, and that's when I was shocked to find out that the same Igbo blood that the Igbos have over here in Nigeria, that same blood flows through my veins. So that was incredible for me. First time being here, been to Africa a lot, but this is the first time being where my mother ancestors came from.
So is your mother that have ancestry origin here, not your father?
Yes, my father, paternal side, that is from of Africa, but that's Central Africa, Congo. So I went to Congo, but I had never ever came to Nigeria. It's been a 2-year planning to get here, so to be here is divine on these hallowed grounds. And then for me to represent all of the Gullah Geechees in the world, to be the first to be a part of a program such as this, the Obollo-Afor River.
How old are you, sir?
I am an old man now. All of my kids are grown. 2 are retired. My next birthday, I'll be 72 years old.
Nice to meet you. I feel that you're very excited to be here today, and you were given a title, so I see that you're very excited. How do you feel about the title, and how do you think you can use the title to unite the people out there that still have the same DNA with you?
Well, that's very definitely. I plan to use that. I've been asked by the University of Nigeria to be the first Gullah Geechee speaker, which is coming up real soon while I'm here. So I want to use this as a springboard to encourage other African Americans and Gullah Geechees. You have not lived until you make the pilgrim trip here to Nigeria and in Igbo land, the Obollo River.
Thank you very much. Nice having you here today. Thank you very much. I appreciate, sir. Thank you, sir. Your impress is my hair. Oh, thank you. That's what made me an Igbo girl. A full blood from Igbo, yeah. Thank you very much. Since I'm here to tell the story, tell a lot of story about Igbo. There's no way you can tell a story of Igbo.
She's very rich. This used to be currency. I heard about these. Yeah, these are currency. Yeah.
So you know that you can't tell the story of Igbo without this.
She's a hard worker because she was standing up the whole time in there. I couldn't stand that long. I'm too old.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Good evening, man. Good evening. Speak Igbo. No. I'm Dima Asakrat, are you? You what? I'm Dima Asakrat. Hey, I'm Ada Anago. Right. Ada. And I don't know how to speak Igbo. I'm not Igbo. You're not Igbo. I'm from far away. I'm from America, but I was born in Cameroon. How come you be Ada? Because in Cameroon we also have Ada. In Cameroon you also have Ada. We have Ada, and we're related to the Igbo. When we're Bamileke, we're related to the Igbo. In Cameroon you have Ada. We have Ada. We get to have that relate to Igbo. In Cameroon we have Ada. In the US we have Ada. In Europe we have Ada. But the Ada in Igbo land is very special. First daughter. Right. So every time somebody says, okay, are you Igbo? I said, no, but I know I'm the first daughter. Oh, yes. Ada. Wait, I want to understand something. Yes. You know, in Igbo, Ada is the first daughter. Yes. Over there, Ada just means Ada. But you're over there, I'm not the first daughter. But Igbo is first daughter. Yeah. But Ada in Cameroon is just Ada. It means so many different things in so many different countries, right? So in America, they call me Ada. And Ada is an old name in America. It was a name that our ancestors brought with them from Africa. So it was Ada, but it became Ada. What other name is similar to us? What other name is similar? Ada name. What other name do you have? Oh, what other name? Oh, I don't know what other name. There's like there are very few other names that are similar. Her ancestry is both Igbo and Native American. So her story is different, but being here is the first time in Africa. First time. You know you have to be brave to come to Nigeria for your first time in Africa. But you had fun, right? Yeah, of course. How do you see Africa? Yes. Sorry? How do you see Africa? This is your first time. I feel like I'm coming home to myself. So like family. What's your name? Regina Abegunde. What? Regina Abegunde. Where are you from? I'm from United States in Kentucky. Lexington, Kentucky. Why are you here today? I'm here to celebrate with my family coming back home. I heard the Kings wanted us to come back, and I'm with the Institute of Whole Life Healing. Thank you. Wait, you find out your ancestral home is here. My family did their DNA, and my godfather was an Oba in Kentucky. You find out you're from here. Hi guys. Have you heard about GMAS farm babies? The washable baby diaper. This economy, guys. You need to come and hear this good news from me. This is one of the best baby diaper that you can use in this economy now. With the way this economy carry us, they go front and back end. Just come and test it and thank me later. It's for our babies, our newborn babies. Those babies where they piss, baby say, if they hear, shh. You can be like saying a tap they run. You know those like picking the people bed. Come and try this and thank me later. It is very smooth. It's washable diaper. You don't need to say that I don't want to stain my hands. I don't have to wash my baby. For waiting, come try them. It's washable. Like when you wash it and dry it, it soaks the wee, but it doesn't leak. That's the good news. When you wear your baby, this GMAS baby's hair, it soaks the wee, but the good news is that it does not leak. Like very comfortable and smooth, and it's encouraged to use during the day and during the night. Like do not say I did not tell you. No talk say I no give you this good news. So if nobody say my pikin sexy day road they come, guys. But wait, I will still show you how to use it. Let's go there. This is one of the best for now. Yes, tested and trusted. You can buy it for your children. If you have 5 children that will on the bed, imagine coming to visit somebody that will work for children. You don't pay that person out because of children they will. Some of them they don't even get pity. They don't even pity the bed. Some people bed they don't scatter, tear. Join chinchi on top. Now they bring chinchi. They are ready to supply anywhere for this country, anywhere, nationwide, always available. No matter the quantity you want. If 100 pieces, 1 million pieces, 1,000, they get down. Come and try and thank me later. Their number is on the screen there. You can chat us on the WhatsApp there. You can DM, send us a message and tell us you want the quantity you want for the babies. No matter the size of your baby, if you're picking up, you get big bum or the small one, you go size them. Come and buy and thank me later.